time. Looks alright.
Dad?
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Why is it
Better than
hard?
the last one.
Dad, why is it on the black bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is
No.
interesting.
UK. There's another one of us. There's one up there as well. We're not alone. It's very rainy, isn't it?
Yeah, we're gonna go out here.
Yeah.
Shouting time!
We have just checked in to our new hotel room, which is, how dark is it in here? Quite dark. The Ibis budget. I think it's called the Marne la Vallée. I'll leave on the screen what it looks like the booking.com thing that's who we booked it with. We pretty much always book our things with booking.com again. Link in the description if you want it. But this is our room tour of our, how much was it? Do you know?
80 quid?
80 quid a night.
No total.
It wasn't 80 quid for 3 nights.
100, I don't know. I'll have a look.
I'll put it on the screen, don't worry.
I'll have a look for you.
But walk in, front door, bathroom is massive. So toilet, we just put all our stuff on the top. Sink, towels, massive shower, which is very much tall enough for me, which I'm happy with. Give you a body and hands wash. Little 194 for 3 nights for 3 people. Yeah, they probably ripped us off a bit there, but
No.
no. Oh, there you go. We did have to pay city tax. That's fine. Then the actual room. Noah is loving his bunk bed, aren't you? Do you want to show me how you climb up it? Go on. We've got obviously a big bed here. You've got 2 lights down there with also main light controls. Light up there.
One up there.
Little TV that is
City
probably not going to
tax
get
stays
turned on.
on booking.com should be 25 and just paid 17.
I climb up this ladder.
Well done.
That's good.
Up there. Little coat hook and hangers in the corner. It is lacking a bit of storage, this room.
Sir,
But go on, on you go.
and on the light,
We've got proper
I'll
views.
show you how to.
Yeah. There is space under the bed, probably for a small suitcase, but not for a big one.
Button, and then it turns on.
Go on, you turn it on.
And on.
That's how they work. A mirror with again more like little hanger hook things here for
That's
towels,
how
I
it
guess.
works.
There's a towel hook over there as well.
Oh yeah, no, that's a door stop, I think, to stop the door banging. Yeah, there is one in the bathroom though. And honestly, the coolest feature of this room by far is this: electric shutters.
Yeah, I was worried at first there's no curtains,
Yeah,
but that's going to be blackout.
that'd be really nice tonight.
Dad, what does the middle one
Let's
do?
go to Disney!
So yes, we're going to go from here into Disney, and you'll see the proper Disney vlog from
We're
there.
going in a
but
Disney with the
If you're looking
bed.
for a little budget room, it's much nicer. I say much nicer than when we stayed at last time, which wasn't in Ibis and was horrible. So I'll let you know anything else we think about the room while we are here. We're here for 3 nights. Also bed, super comfy. So Disney time.